And once again, this is a whole pack of celery stalk I bought. This is one whole pack of celery stalk that I bought. And I wasn't a big fan of celery, but you know what, y'all? I'm beginning to like celery. I am really beginning to like celery. I don't know about y'all, but when I used to go to school, they used to give us celery sticks and peanut butter. I couldn't stand it. I ate the peanut butter, but not the celery stick. Because celery really doesn't have a flavor. But I'm pretty sure it's something about it that has to be good for you. If not, God wouldn't have created it. So it's got to have some kind of purpose. Might not know what it is or what nutritional value it has, but it's got to have something. It is but I'm beginning to like it more. As I begin to cook with it, I'm beginning to like it more. So maybe you got a vegetable or fruit or something that you normally don't like or eat, but when you start cooking with it, you kind of like it a little bit more, like I am with celery. So that's done. So let's go ahead and put these onions. They smell so good. I'm gonna put. Well, hello everybody. Welcome back. My name is Aquila. My husband Willie is behind the camera. So welcome back to Lidella Valley Community Garden. Today I am going to be canning some pork butt. I love pork. I like meat. I like bacon. So today this is basically for me. So I am doing pork butt today, and I got everything cut up over here. I have my fresh pork butt. I have my jars, and this is going to be a cold pack. This is going to be another cold pack. Last week I did the turkey loin, and it was a cold pack, the meal in a jar. And I'm doing the same thing today with the pork butt, a meal in a jar, and it's going to be cold pack. Everything is cold. So I've chopped up my Sicilian onions. I've chopped up my celery. These are the leaf heads from my celery. This is my celery. I have my carrots. I have my purple onions. I have my potatoes once again. And this time, you remember, I did the cranberry beans and the black beans. Well, I thawed a few of these out, and I'm going to put a little bit of that in a jar. I got all my spices, all my seasonings. Everything is ready to go. I have my pressure cooker on the stove, and I have unsalted chicken broth, unsalted chicken broth. So I've greased my lid and everything. It's ready to go. I got water here. Oh yeah, I can take this jar out. This is my tester jar. I wanted to make sure I didn't have too much water, so I want to take that out. But I'm going to get ready, and we're going to get started, y'all. We're going to get ready. We're going to get started on this here. And like I said, I've trimmed a lot of fat off of here. I've trimmed. This is 4 pounds, 4.5 pounds of a pork butt. I went and bought. I bought a 4.5 pound pork butt, and I trimmed a lot of fat off it, a lot of fat. So you may still see a little bit of fat on here, but that's okay. But the majority of the fat has been trimmed off. So we're gonna fill these jars up. I did wash my jars. Make sure you wash your jars. I checked my jars around the rim. Make sure the rims are smooth. I washed them. I had washed them already, even before, but I always wash mine again. So I'm going to get these jars filled up. And I'm just doing another jar and a meal, y'all. Another jar meal. So something, you know, convenient meal. And like I say, I like pork. And my husband doesn't eat pork, but I eat. I eat pork. Sometimes I joke to him, go like, I hope they have pork when I get to heaven, because I'm gonna be looking for some bacon when I get there. But so that's why I said I'm gonna eat all the pork I can now while I'm down here. So, but so we're gonna get these jars. And I know I think I'm gonna have plenty of meat. This is a 4 pound pork butt. I was gonna do the turkey loin. I mean, not turkey loin, but the pork loin. But I wanted the pork butt. So uh, get many as I can. I want to get at least. I want to do my 16 jars, and I believe I can go and add more. And I'm not worried about wiping down the rim just as yet, because I'm going to go back through that. And I'm just trying to see here. Okay, so got all that done. Now let me see if I got anything overcrowded that maybe I can get like in something that maybe need a piece of meat or two. Yeah. So I'm just trying to stretch this meat to make it go a long way because I didn't want to buy two, just wanted to buy one. So some may have a little bit more than others, but that's okay. But I'm pleased with the